Cut the zucchini in cubes. Zucchini. Remove them. When they are a little bit fried like this, just remove. Slice the eggplants the same like a zucchini in cubes. Okay, do the zucchini. With the tomatoes. Fresh from the farm. When it's fried, it is the zucchini. See, okay, like this. Then I add back the zucchini. Then I want it plant zucchini together with the eggplant and allow it to marinate together. Black pepper, some black pepper. My homemade spices. More. My conserved parsley I add here. So that's my zucchini flowers. I told you I'm going to add everything fresh from the farm in this pasta to make a vegetable pasta. Now it's time to add the zucchini to go together with the zucchini flower to toast together with the zucchini and the eggplant. But I add the olive oil to fry the onions a little. When the onions are a little bit fried, I don't want it to be well fried, but has to remain crunchy in the mouth. I add the tomatoes. Now it's time to add 1 spoon of salt. I didn't add salt before, salt at the end. Since I don't want the tomatoes to be too soft, I want it to be crunchy a bit, so now I add together the fried zucchini and the eggplant and the zucchini flowers together with the sauce. Make a very nice sauce. Add small hot water and leave to cook for 2 minutes. Since I love pepper, I add some of my conserved red pepper. I wanted to add some of my conserved tomatoes, but it's okay like that. I like it with the fresh one. The spaghetti is ready to join in this vegetable sauce. Good appetite, everyone. This food, I call it fresh from farm spaghetti. Delicious, fresh from farm spaghetti. Because everything are fresh, come fresh from the farm.